Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, IITG, and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll explore techniques to enhance your speed and accuracy, giving you a competitive edge during exams. In this video, we shall understand key points about speed and accuracy enhancement. Speed and accuracy are crucial elements in competitive exams. By employing specific strategies, you can improve your efficiency, complete exams on time, and minimize errors. Let's dive into valuable tips to help you develop speed and accuracy for exam success. Student can practice time management techniques, such as setting time limits for different sections. First, let's understand the importance of speed and accuracy in exams. Time management. Efficient time management allows you to complete all sections within the allocated time. It helps prevent rushing through questions and ensures you have sufficient time for review. Minimizing errors. Accuracy is key in competitive exams. Minimizing errors improves your overall score and helps avoid deductions for incorrect answers. Students can implement speed-enhancing techniques, such as skimming and scanning. Now, let's explore some techniques for enhancing speed and accuracy. Skimming and scanning. Develop the ability to skim and scan through passages, questions, and options. This technique helps you quickly identify relevant information and save time. Practice with timed mock tests. Regularly practice with timed mock tests to simulate the exam environment. Train yourself to work within time constraints, improving your speed and accuracy. Students get to practice problem-solving techniques with speed and accuracy in mind. To improve your speed and accuracy, consider incorporating these techniques. Prioritize easy questions. Begin with questions you find easier and can answer quickly. This builds momentum, saves time, and boosts your confidence. Elimination technique. Use the elimination technique for multiple choice questions. Eliminate obviously incorrect options, increasing your chances of selecting the correct answer. Students shall review and analyze their performance to identify areas for improvement. Additionally, consider these tips to optimize your speed and accuracy. Develop mental math skills. Improve your mental math skills to perform calculations quickly. Practice mental math techniques and memorize commonly used formulas. Review and learn from mistakes. Analyze your mistakes from practice tests and mock exams. Understand the reasons behind errors and focus on improving those areas to enhance both speed and accuracy. By using these tips, student appears confident and focused, implementing speed and accuracy techniques. By incorporating these strategies to enhance your speed and accuracy, you'll be able to tackle exams with confidence, effectively manage your time, and maximize your scoring potential. If you have any questions about enhancing speed and accuracy or need guidance on exam-specific techniques, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective essay writing strategies for UPSC aspirants.